All right, in this video, we are going to talk about work from home jobs that you can work as an online educator or teacher. Now, I'm going to get right into the video in just a moment, but if you are currently a teacher, working in a school, or if you have teaching experience, or if you're new to teaching and you've never even taught before, some of these can work great for you, and some of them you do need experience for. So it just really depends on what you're looking for. And feel free to reach out to me specifically if you do have any sort of questions related to working from home. I'm here to help. It all depends on what you're looking for, the monthly income that you're needing, and whatever other variables there are that maybe are going to help you decide and consider what kind of work from home that you want. But I'm sharing these because a lot of them are very flexible as well. And you can choose the hours that you want to work, you can choose what you want to teach. So it's just a really great way to start making money from home right now. So the first company that I want to talk about that hires online educators and teachers is Vipkid. Now, I've talked about them before and they're a really great company. It's fairly easy to get hired by them as well. So it's perfect for anybody that is kind of, not sure if they want to do online education and teaching, but you want to try it out and kind of see. The next company I'm going to talk about as well is really, really great for beginners specifically. So the first one was Vipkid. Now the second one that I want to talk about is Cambly. Now I've talked about them before as well. I have my iPad here. I consider myself a teacher almost, just because I'm an online business coach. So that is me, teaching other people online how to either get hired for work from home or start up a profitable coaching business. Now, anybody, if you have any sort of knowledge, you can start up a coaching business. And really, a lot of people have hidden talents, or what I like to call passions, that can be turned into a business. So that's why I really love what I do, and I'm very passionate about what I do. So if you're passionate about teaching, then you can try out these companies, and kind of test things out and see how you like it, and start making money. I mean, it's a great way to from home. So Cambly, like I said, perfect for beginners. It's conversation English teaching is what they typically are hiring for on Cambly. But yeah, I created an account on Cambly a while ago. I think it was a year and a half ago, just to kind of look through it and test it out and whatnot. And I still get emails from them saying get your students now and this and that. And it's really, really easy to create an account and set up. So that's the perfect part about it as well. So it's not super complicated, especially if you have no idea how to teach online. So again, I highly recommend them to start if you're new to this, and then you can check out the other companies that I am going to be talking about in this video. So the third company is AimA, and they are looking for part-time and full-time online tutors for all subjects. So you would basically just be a tutor, you could be a tutor for math or science or whatever other things they have on there. You really just got to look through and see, what subjects they have on there, because they have a lot. So it's definitely a good opportunity for if you were really good at a certain subject in school, or if you're already a teacher and you already have that knowledge, I mean, you could do a broad variety of different subjects and make a good amount of money online. So the fourth company that I want to talk about is admission consultants. Now, this is an education consultant position, looking for serious candidates, and has very competitive pay, which means they pay good. But what they mean by serious candidates is I'm pretty sure that you have to have a certain amount of teaching knowledge and a background in teaching, most likely. So I got this information off of the site. I've had so many people asking me about teaching jobs that I wanted to get this video out as soon as possible. So I'm not going to be super detailed on what all the companies are like about, like what kind of teaching it is and all those different aspects. Just because I want you all to be able to check out these companies right away and apply if you want to, if you like, you know, what the company is about and stands for, or the pay, or whatever else. Because I just want you all to start making money as quickly as possible. Now, if you do feel stuck at all, or you feel like you can't find the right company, I am going to put links down in the description for the companies that I'm putting in this video, just so that you can easily click on it, and then be able to check it out and apply. Again, if you do have questions, or if maybe these specific teaching jobs like aren't working for you, or you don't like them and you'd like other options, you can definitely feel free to reach out to me. I'm constantly working on getting more videos out on YouTube and finding more jobs and more companies. So just keep in mind that it does take me time to find these and to find legitimate companies for you all, and that I'm here if you need anything. Now, the fifth company that I want to talk about is Babel. Now, Babel is a freelancer teaching job. So this one is another one that is pretty easy to apply for and, you know, get hired for. It just really depends, you know, how many people are working for them currently and all that different stuff. So all these companies, I would recommend that you apply, or try to create your teacher's account or anything like that. And just keep on trying to be active on there every week to see if there's potential students you can help and stuff like that. And just really get started as soon as possible. And then from there, like, you're gonna grow, or you're gonna start making money and all that different stuff. It just really depends on, you know, how many people are currently working for them. I hope this video was helpful for you. I post every single Friday, and I'm going to be getting a lot more content out here in the very near future, just because I've got a lot of great things in store for you all as far as work from home and coaching, you know, business stuff, and then a lot of other things like social media related. I am going to be going all out, and I'm super excited for the last couple of months in this year, because my daughter, she's gonna be a sister soon. She's gonna be a big sister. I'm having my second baby in November 2021, so that's coming up, and we have a lot of changes coming. So I just want to get as much things out there as possible and start batching my content so that I don't have anybody missing out on anything that they need. And just bear with me when November and December are here, because if I don't answer, then it's just because momhood and other things like that. Like, I'll be healing and navigating what it's going to be like to have 2 kids. So Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.